Hello my lovelies, this creamy chicken and mushroom pasta is for dinner tonight. This recipe comes together in less than 30 minutes and is truly delicious. To start, we're going to need to boil 220 grams of penne pasta until al dente. Be careful not to overcook the pasta or your dish may go from perfection to pasta mush. Drain the pasta and set it aside. And let's get on with the sauce. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a wok pan. Make sure you get that oil really hot. Add 500 grams of cubed chicken breasts. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes until it is no longer pink, but do not overcook the chicken as it will toughen and become stringy. This recipe serves 4 adults for dinner. I usually serve this pasta with garlic bread, and as this recipe takes so little time, it makes the perfect midweek meal. It's great for when I don't feel like cooking or I'm just feeling really lazy. You know what you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right now. Like, right now. Now. As you can see, the chicken is no longer pink, but it doesn't have too much color on it. So we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun spice. Cajun is my favorite spice mix. It adds a bunch of flavor to dishes in no time and is perfect for last-minute food. If you are wondering why I added so little salt to the pasta dish, it's okay. You can always add salt later, but you can't take it away if you add too much. At this point, we're going to add half a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 200 grams of sliced mushrooms. You're just going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. The mushrooms will release their own water, but it evaporates very quickly. Although I prefer to use chicken and mushrooms for this recipe, you can substitute the mushrooms for broccoli, sweet corn, or even mixed vegetables. This pasta dish is a favorite with the kids, and I use it to sneak in lots of vegetables. I know, it's pretty sneaky, but it works so well, and they won't even know. After around 2 to 3 minutes, you may notice that there is some brown stuff sticking to the bottom of the pan. It's called caramelization, or as I like to call it, flavor. You want that. Nay, you need that for a great pasta dish. Add 1.5 cups of chicken broth and deglaze the pan, which means scraping the bottom of the pan so that we don't lose all of that flavor. When you add cold cream to a hot liquid, the cream will definitely split and you will be left with floating curd bits in your sauce, and you don't want that. But I'm going to show you how you can prevent that from happening. So for that, you're going to mix a few tablespoons of the broth with 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Whisk it until smooth. This will help bring the temperature of the cream closer to the temperature of the broth, and the cream can be mixed in easily. Now that the cream is mixed in with the broth, we can add it to the pan and mix it in well. Yay! No curdled sauce. That's such a relief. Now we're just going to let the sauce simmer and reduce for around 4 to 5 minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken slightly. Does your sauce seem thin to you? Don't worry. The magic of pasta is that because we only cooked it to al dente, the pasta will soak up all of that extra liquid, ending in a thicker sauce. When the pasta gets a chance to soak in that sauce, it's going to absorb all of that delicious, creamy mushroom flavor. Just toss and coat that pasta in the lovely sauce and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready. Don't cook this for longer than around 2 to 3 minutes, or you risk the chance of drying up that delicious sauce. Top the pasta with parsley and chili flakes. And there you have it, dinner in under 30 minutes. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!